Hello, everyone. Welcome to the AI Entrepreneurs YouTube channel. And if you're already a subscriber to our newsletter, the AI Entrepreneur newsletter, probably have seen this already, what I'm going to talk about today. But if you are not a subscriber, this probably is the time to get a free subscription to the newsletter that has tons of really impactful material. So in these, whether it's newsletter or the YouTube channel, we talk a lot about upskilling yourself and doing better with AI, learning AI, and getting more literate with AI. And this is Ramesh Danta with the AI Entrepreneurs YouTube channel. If you already don't know, but that is what we've been talking about so far. So, along those lines, and today I'm going to walk you through a mini guide for career seekers and entrepreneurs how to use AI in a very impactful way. Okay. So most people using AI for work are doing it backwards. They ask vague questions. What job should I apply for? Can you rewrite my resume? Help me plan my startup. Right? It's a very vague, very generic questions. And based on the prompt, you get a generic answer. The answers also will be very, very generic, and then probably you cannot use them. So just to fix this issue, OpenAI Academy has unveiled prompt packs. Yes, prompts. So they are back in the vogue again. Initially, when the ChatGPT came a couple of years ago, it's all about prompts, prompts, prompts. But still, people are not AI literate to effectively use some ChatGPT, for example, but with good prompts, and that's where the prompt packs come in. And I'm going to walk you through today how to use them. Okay. So this prompt packs, as I mentioned, came from AI, and they are there to help handle real world job tasks across roles like engineering, product, marketing, design management, and skilled trades, right? Different job domains. Each pack bundles structured workflows, right? So that's the beauty about this prompt packs and templates and task specific prompts that turn ChatGPT into a practical assistant for day-to-day work, right? If you're working in real estate, you need very specific prompts for your domain. If you're working in marketing for a healthcare company, you probably need a different kind of a prompts, right? So that's why having this prompt packs for your domain relevant for you is very, very important. So that's what these prompt packs do. So this is not about clever AI tricks, right? So, but they're impactful prompts, structured prompts to think more clearly about careers, businesses, and decisions. So now let's go deep into it. So what are these packs, right? So they're curated, specially selected collections of role-based prompts designed to help people do real work and not just chat with AI, right? So depending on your role, depending on the domain that you're working in, these are very specific to you. So they act as scaffolding, turning fuzzy questions into concrete decisions, reducing trial and error thinking, making AI usage repeatable instead of random. So let's take one example. Instead of asking, what should I do next? I know it's a very generic question, right? So, you could say, hey, what is my best next move with respect to constraints, goals, and resources? Using those kind of terminology will get you a better answer than a very generic question. So that shift really matters for professionals and founders. And that way you don't have to waste too much time dealing with generic answers. So they also bake in safer defaults, no sensitive personal data, clear boundaries around what AI should and shouldn't do. They decide for you. So that very thoughtful of in the prompt packs, I thought. So now let's go into each of the specific domains. How prompt packs help career seekers. We're all searching for a job, switch our careers. So how do these help me if I'm looking to switch a job? So now turning experience, the very first example is experience into clear story, right? So many people, when the interview process, they say, just not regurgitating what you've done, but what does it mean to the job that you're applying, that telling a story is important. So many professionals struggle to explain what they have done, especially across industries or career pivots. So the prompt packs help you extract transferable skills. Okay, so what skills are transferable to different company, different domain, And also helps rewrite experience in outcome focused language. Instead of saying this is what I've done activity, now you say this is I have accomplished, right? So these are the things that I was able to do, outcomes. That's important. And also align your story to a specific role that you're applying for. So these are especially useful for career switchers, professionals re-entering the workforce, people with non-linear resumes. So one micro example that I can give you how to use, what's there in the prompt pack. So you could say rewrite my last two roles to emphasize outcomes, skills, and decision making, not titles or tools. Okay, so the very specific prompt that will come back with outcomes and skills and decision making you've used in the previous two roles that you could relate to the interviewer or whoever you're applying to. And then the second example I'll give you is interview preparation that is not generic, right? Instead of generic question asking about a company, right? You could be very specific. So the prompt packs help you practice behavioral interviews with structured feedback, simulate follow-up questions, and identify weak spots in your responses. So you're not just rehearsing, you're actually refining by using these prompt packs. One example here. So you could prompt, ask me a behavioral question about conflict, then critique my answer and suggest a stronger structure. So then the ChatGPT or whatever GPT that you're using will ask you a very specific question about the conflict that you face and their answer, and it will give feedback, how well you have done. And the third area that I will give on how prompt packs help is helping make better career decisions. Prompt packs include patterns for decision criteria. Let's say you have multiple offers, how do you decide which job to take, and the risk assessment and the trade-off analysis. Okay, one versus other, which one is better for me? And that of course lets me compare job offers logically, weigh growth versus stability, and that's relevant for me, and evaluate compensation beyond salary, right? So what are the things that I should be looking at while selecting a job? And this is where AI becomes your thinking partner and not resume bot, right? So that you need that. So one micro example, compare these two offers on growth, learning, risk, and financial stability over the next 3 years, right? So that is a very specific prompt asking about growth, learning, risk, and financial stability. So otherwise, if you just say compare these two offers, without a thing, it's not a good prompt. And then the next section I'm going to talk about where the prompt packs will help you is designing your first 30, 60, 90 days. They can help you draft a realistic 30, 60 day, 90 plan. Once you join, what to do, identify quick wins, understand stakeholder expectations, right? Especially useful for onboarding, promotions, or role negotiations. One micro example, create a 30, 60, 90 day plan focused on trust building, early wins, and long-term impact, right? So very precise and specific on what you are asking it to do on trust building, some areas. I mean, of course, you can ask those specific areas that are relevant for you. So now let's switch gears and talk about how prompt packs help AI entrepreneurs. So we talked about the career switchers and people looking for jobs and all. So now let's talk about founders and entrepreneurs. So for them, speed definitely matters, but clarity matters more. So prompt packs are not growth hacks, right? They're not there to just help you grow. They're about operating better with limited time, people, and attention. That's what AI entrepreneurs and founders are looking for. So number one area where these prompt packs will help is the market and competitor research. I mean, this one is amazing. I really can do a lot of research in very short period of time with the proper prompts. Instead of endless Googling, prompt packs help you analyze competitors consistently, map customer segments, clarify positioning. Useful for early validation, pivot decisions, sharpening messaging. So one micro example. Given this list of competitors, whatever that is, X, Y, Z, group them by segment and suggest 3 clear positioning options that I have with respect to those competitors. Very specific thing. The second area where this prompt packs will help you and help me is planning without overthinking. That's what we many times do. We are looking at too many options, and then so instead of narrowing and actually planning. So they stall between ideas and execution, mostly founders, and this will help you. So they support launch checklists, content calendars, feature prioritization, and key deliver some of the key results drafts and those kinds of things. So they don't replace the strategy that you are responsible for, but they reduce the friction in implementing the strategy. One micro example: turn this idea into a 2-week execution plan with priorities and trade-offs, right? So whatever that idea is, so launching a product, for example, let's say, or dealing with a customer support aspect of it. So hey, 2-week execution plan with priorities and trade-offs. And the third area where entrepreneurs and founders can benefit from the prompt packs is operations for lean teams. When you don't have ops, legal, HR support, prompt packs help you in all those functional areas. And most of the time, the entrepreneurs are dealing with them. So you could draft SOPs, write internal docs, create onboarding materials, standardize customer communication. So this is how solo founders scale process, not headcount. So one example: draft a simple SOP for handling customer support issues consistently. As I talked about customer support, hey, just give me a SOP for dealing with them. Another area, right, for the founders is the customer communication that sounds human. So it's very, very important. And then you don't have a large number of employees to deal with them. So how can prompt packs help, right? So they can help with support responses, sales follow-ups, FAQs, and help docs. The value is not just speed, it's consistency, right? So being consistent from one area to another area. One micro example is rewrite this support reply to sound calm, human, and clear without oversharing. So, but now let's also talk about what prompt packs do so that you don't have, unrealistic expectations about what prompt packs are. They won't pick a career for you. They won't build a startup for you. They won't replace judgment or experience. They won't eliminate risk, right? All of those things that you're responsible for. What they do provide is structure, and structure is what most careers and startups lack, and that's where it helps. And AI becomes normal at work. Employers and investors are quietly favoring people who can think clearly with AI, use tools responsibly, ask better questions. So these prompt packs will help build that muscle that you need to do your job better. And for career seekers and entrepreneurs, that's leverage, okay? And they don't make decisions for you, but they help you make better ones faster with less noise. For professionals navigating change and founders building under pressure, that's the real value. Hey, if you enjoyed this deep dive into prompt packs, please like or subscribe and comment if you have any questions. And our newsletter is AI Entrepreneurs newsletter. The link is below. And the YouTube channel is what you're watching. Subscribe and do it. So, and if you need more of these, please let us know. We want to do more videos, so do that. Okay. With that, this is Ramesh Danta signing off today.